Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully address and troubleshoot different network adapter issues you might be experiencing on your Windows 7 device. So if you're fairly certain you're having problems with your network adapter, whether it be built-in or connected via a USB port on your computer, this tutorial should hopefully address your problem. So assuming you do have an internet connection and it's just your network adapter is the middle link that's failed. Now I'm telling you guys, if your house or your device, if there's no internet available, this is not going to work for you, of course. But if you find that it happens to be this one device is experiencing problems, hopefully this tutorial should work for you. So we're going to jump into it, and we're going to start by opening up the start menu, and you want to type in troubleshoot. And one of the best matches that comes up underneath control panel should say troubleshooting. You want to left click on that. Now on the left side, you want to left click on the view all button. And now you want to look for something that says network adapter, and you want to left click on that one time. And at this point you can minimize out of the previous window we were on. And it should say troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems. Network adapter, troubleshoot Ethernet, wireless, or other network adapters. Click on this advanced hyperlink right here. And you want to make sure that the box next to apply repairs automatically has a check mark inside of it. And then proceed to left click on next. And you want to be patient. This will take a moment to run. And hopefully it'll find something in your case. If not, you can still view the detailed information and see what was scanned for. So it should be a good first line. It's not necessarily going to guarantee it's going to resolve your internet connectivity issues, but it's definitely something to keep in mind. It's specifically designed for the network adapter, and there's other things that are between you and the internet as well. So I'm just going to put that out there. It's not like your network adapter could be the only reason why you don't have internet connection. But I just wanted to address this one isolated issue for this tutorial. And I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.